If the factory taillights in your 09 to 14 F-150 have just seen better days or really ain't moving the needle for you anymore, well then you might want to consider a subtle upgrade like the OE style options that we have here today, complete with the black housing and red lenses. Now this is going to be one of the most affordable options on the site for truck owners looking to refresh the rear end, but add a slightly more aggressive look at the same time thanks to that combo of the black and red working together. Now these DOT approved taillights will be sold in pairs and can be had all for just north of $100. So in the land of aftermarket taillights, I would say the OE style options that we have here today are going to be one of the safest bets, if you will, in regards to adhering to the factory design or appearance, but without going crazy aftermarket over the top. In fact, I actually really dig these more than the stockers because they're going to trade that chrome factory housing for a black housing, but still utilize a factory style red lens. And that combination, the black and red, does give off a slightly darker, dare I say, meaner appearance overall. Second big feature is price point. If you are on a tight budget but still want to swap tails, it might just be one of the most affordable options on the site for your F-150 at home at the time of this video. Construction is going to be pretty much on par here with the factory taillights in a lot of ways. For instance, you got things like a durable black ABS plastic housing, which is then topped off with a combination of red, but also a clear lens as well. Kind of hard to see here on the table, but you're getting the big red reflector making up most of your color. And then that's actually topped off with another clear layer, which is kind of adding a layer of protection. Now the taillights themselves have been CAD designed, so you're going to be getting a very factory-like fit. Direct swap, they do not include any bulbs, so it's just an easy swap from your stock taillights, or you can use this as an opportunity to upgrade if you'd like. Finally, the taillights do receive the DOT and SAE stamp of approval, making them legal for use in all 50 states. Moving into price point, and as we mentioned now a few times in the video, these are going to be a very affordable set of taillights on the site for your 09 to 14 F-150 at home. Now with that being said, at just north of $100, they are very basic, so you're not going to be getting a lot of bells and whistles, if you will, in the form of LEDs or daytime running lights, things like that. Now if you did want to kick in some of those extra features, well, chances are you're going to be spending a little bit more, but regardless, never a bad idea to check out the rest of our selection here at AT before making your final decision. All right, wrapping things up here with our install, guys. Again, very, very simple stuff, completely plug and play, direct swap, whatever you want to call it. So because of that, the site's going to go 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 20 minutes at most to complete from start to finish. But now to give you a better idea of how this one might go down in the garage or driveway at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and an 8mm socket.
What's up guys? Today we're installing taillights on our F-150, so let's get started. So to remove our factory taillights, we're going to remove these 2 8mm screws using an 8mm socket, and then we just need to remove all of our bulbs from our housing. Now pull straight back. And then we're just going to take all of our bulbs and twist to the left and remove them. Now with our new taillight, we're just going to do that in reverse order. So pop your bulbs into place and then twist them to the right this time. And then just slide this into place and we'll reinstall our screws. Now we're just going to run our screws into place. And repeat on the other side.
So that'll wrap up this review and install of the OE style taillights with black housing and red lens for your 2009 to 14 F-150 Styleside. Thank you for watching, and for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.